Hello and welcome to Daily English 10. My name is Emma.
And I'm Alex. Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here to learn English with us. How are you doing today, Emma?
I'm doing great, Alex. I actually went shopping this morning and it gave me the idea for our topic today.
A great idea. So today we are talking about shopping.
That's right. Shopping is something we all do, and we want you to feel confident when you shop in English. So we will teach you some simple, easy phrases.
That's right. So let's begin.
Okay, Alex, let's imagine we walk into a store, maybe a clothes store.
Okay, a clothes store. I like that. So we are inside. What is the first thing we can do?
Well, you can just look around, but if you need help, you can talk to a person who works in the store. We call them a shop assistant.
A shop assistant. Right. So how do you get their attention?
It's very easy. You can smile and say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me? Yes, that is very polite.
"Excuse me, can you help me?"
Or you can say what you want. You can say, I'm looking for a shirt.
Yes, "I'm looking for" is a fantastic phrase. You can use it for anything. I'm looking for a jacket.
I'm looking for shoes.
I'm looking for a gift for my friend.
Exactly. Let's practice that. Emma, you be the shop assistant.
Okay, I'm ready.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm looking for a warm sweater.
The sweaters are over there, next to the jackets.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. See? It's very easy.
Okay, so I found the sweaters. Now I see one I like, but I need to know if it is the right size.
Ah, a very important question. Sizes. Usually, sizes are small, medium, and large.
Right. Small, medium, large. Sometimes you also have extra small or extra large.
Yes, so you can ask the shop assistant, "Do you have this in a medium?"
Do you have this in a medium?
Perfect. And what about colors, Alex? What if I like the sweater, but I want a different color?
It's the same question. You just changed the last word. You can ask, do you have this in blue?
Oh, that's easy. Do you have this in black?
Do you have this in red?
Wonderful. Okay, let's practice again. This time I am the customer. Alex, you are the helpful shop assistant.
Okay, I'm ready to help.
Excuse me, I really like this shirt. Do you have it in a large?
Let me check for you. Yes, here is a large.
Thank you so much. And one more question. Do you have it in green?
I'm sorry, we only have it in blue and white.
Great, I'll take this one then. Okay, the blue is nice. Before I decide to buy it, I should probably try it on to make sure it fits.
Great. So now you have the shirt you want, it's the right size and the right color. What is the next important question?
The price, how much money is it?
Exactly, the price. A very easy way to ask is to hold the item and ask, how much is this?
How much is this?
Another way to ask is, how much does this cost? Cost means price.
How much does this cost? Got it. Let's repeat both questions. First one, how much is this?
How much is this?
How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
Then the shop assistant will tell you the price. They will say something like, "It's $20.
Or maybe, this one is 10 euros.
Right, you just listen for the number.
And hopefully the number is a nice small one. Emma, what about sales or discounts? Everyone loves getting a good price. Okay, Emma, you have your blue shirt. You know the price is $20. You are happy. What's next?
It's time to pay, so I take my shirt and I go to the cashier.
The cashier or the checkout. This is the place where you pay for your items.
Hello, I'd like to buy this, please.
That's a very nice sentence. I'd like to buy this, please.
That's $20, please. Then they might ask, how would you like to pay?
This question means, are you paying with cash, which is money like notes and coins, or are you paying with a card, like a credit card?
By card, please.
Or by cash, please.
Let's practice this final conversation. Alex, you be the cashier this time.
No problem. Hello.
Hi, just this shirt, please.
Okay, that'll be $20.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. You can tap your card here. Okay, here is your receipt.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. And that's it. You did it.
Shopping in English is not so scary, is it?
Not at all. Let's do a very quick review of the most important phrases from today.
Okay, to ask for help, you can say, "Excuse me, I'm looking for a..."
To ask about size or color, you can say, do you have this in a large? Or do you have this in red?
How much is this?
And when you are paying, you can say, I'd like to buy this, please. And by card, please.
And remember the magic words, please and thank you. They are always helpful.
Yes, so our challenge for you, our listeners, is to go out and practice. You don't have to buy anything. Just try asking a question. That is the best advice. But Alex, sometimes even with perfect manners, things can go wrong. For example, you take something home and discover it's damaged.
That's a great idea. Just pick one phrase and try it.
That's all the time we have for today on Daily English 10. Thank you for listening. And please don't worry about making mistakes. Every mistake is a learning opportunity.
Goodbye, everyone, and happy shopping.